If you want to change touch sensors function on this Sony WF-C710N, you can do this by opening Sound Connect application, scroll into device settings and select system. Now you have to click on the settings icon, and you can do this for the left and the right earbud for sure. Let's start from the right one. So as you can see, we get function for the playback control as default, but we can switch this into the ambient sound control / quick access. And here we can find all of those, how to call it, functions. Yeah, and by going to the left one, we get actually this, playback control. So we can play and the pulse, double tap, triple tap for change songs, and long press to launch the voice assistant. And there's also the another one, the repeat tap, but it's actually cannot be changed. This is the only way to actually change the volume, and we actually cannot customize it. So once you actually finish, you have to click done and it will be changed.